Hey guys, it's Nick from the Dome Speed Shop doing a toolbox tour today. This is my Mac Tech Series Double Bank, Harbor Freight extension cabinet on it, and everyone's favorite Craftsman toolbox, upper, middle, lower. Let's go through it. Top drawer is everyone's favorite socket drawer. Got metric over here, standard over here, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 3/8 deep, 1/2 inch, 3/4 ratchet. Miscellaneous sockets. I do have drawer lights from Mac Tools. Pretty cool, motion activated. Runs on double A's, but works pretty good. 3/4 sockets, axle sockets, 6-point. Got your O2 sensor sockets. Swivel impact. I keep all my extensions here. Not necessarily the neatest, but it's out of the way. Got your eTorque sockets. Nuts, drivers. 3/8 standard, crow's foot standard, swivel, 3/8 standard, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. Not brand specific, I have a little bit of everybody in here, as you'll go through the box and see. Most of my wrenches live in this drawer. Standard Cornwell, gear wrench, line wrenches, generic stubbies. You got your Craftsman metric, some adjustables. Got your pry bars up top here. You get your flex head ratcheting wrenches. These are standard. These guys are all standard as well, my bigger wrenches, and good old wrench extender. Next drawer, some more wrenches, just didn't fit in the top wrench drawer. Everyone's favorite gear wrench ratcheting. Stubby metric ratcheting. Standard ratcheting. Half Moon Matco. Offset snap-on. Some more miscellaneous gear wrench, and some Icon crow's feet. Punch and file drawer. Harbor Freight ones. Some generic auto parts drivers. Matco punch holder. Hose clamp, tool, chisel, generic files, and some hose cutters. This is some of my miscellaneous. Got the Icon picks, snap-on picks, Mac picks, the long ones. Some cookies, grinder wheels, snap-on cotter pin tool, hose pick, interior pullers, knives, knife sharpener, magnets, random hose clamps, and some brushes in there. Screwdriver drawer. Got your snap-ons. Got the awesome Mac Tools ratcheting set. All the bits. Small brush kit. Some random nut drivers, screwdrivers, hose pinch-off pliers. Another ratcheting set from Cornwell. Quick change kit from Mac. Some precision screwdrivers, impact bits, and another ratcheting kit. This is all my cases, my bigger stuff. Brick tool, C-clip pliers, compression tester from Matco. Got your spline drive Craftsman set. Ball joint kit from Harbor Freight. Snap-on flare tool. Oil change filter wrench. Got your ratchet drawer. Got a little bit of everybody in here. Harbor Freight, snap-on, gear wrench, snap-on, 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 Craftsman, Matco that I haven't even used yet. Old school snap-on. Dad got this from the truck when he worked for Toyota in the 70s. And some generics in here. More of my pliers, most of my pliers I should say. Everybody's in here, Mac. Good old vice grips. Cordless impact drawer. See, I got another one of those lights from Mac in here. But mostly DeWalt. Got some Milwaukee in here. Top drawer of my side cabinet. Mostly just batteries and lights. Found out when I bought this cabinet, because this drawer is usually down here, but these drawers are modular, so you can switch these drawers around. So I got one big one up top, one big one on bottom. Got all my Allen sockets, Allen wrenches, Icon, Mac, gear wrench, Husky, random assortment of Allen wrenches. My Diag drawer, Snap-on bore scope, coil tester from Matco, random spark tester, and Solus Ultra Snap-on scanner. A little older, but she still works pretty good. Engine building drawer. Bunch of bore, just measuring stuff. Brake tool drawer, hanging calipers, cutting brake lines, drum brakes, pad measuring tool. Nothing mind-blowing here. Random detailing brushes, ear chucks. My air tool drawer. Big old Mac Impact, 3/8 Mac Impact, stubby 1/2-inch Matco, my air chuck, cut-off wheel, grinders, air hammer. Ingersoll's been alright. I know they definitely have better ones out there, but it served its purpose. Then we go over to the Craftsman box. Up top, got funnels, zip ties, clamps. First drawer here is more of my tire stuff. Measuring tapes, level. More razor blades. Plastic razor blades in there. Putty knife. This drawer is more of my consumables. Got some RTV, Loctite, stuff like that. This is half of my electric stuff. Soldering kits, test light with the digital readout, multimeter, and the lead kit from Craftsman. This is my unassorted electrical stuff. Got crimpers in here, side post chargers, torches, with some Snap-on Deutsch tool connectors. This is more just my generic paperwork drawer. This is my home box, but still good to be able to take stuff out if I'm working on something at home or measuring, writing out plans. My generic wiring drawer where I keep chargers of all sorts. My spare DeWalt charger. This is more my glove drawer, but I got a random fluid exchanger in there. Nowhere else to put at the moment, so it works. This drawer is my bigger pliers, my torch heads, my rivet tools. This drawer isn't that well sorted, but more of my AC stuff. My thread chaser from Snap-on. Everyone makes the same, Craftsman, everybody, but I got the Snap-on a good deal, so. The old shit drawer. Tap and dies. Rounded bolt chasers, internal. Cutting, grinding, sawzall blades. Got your Harbor Freight grinders, Dremel tool, body saw, bunch of Christmas tree bits, hole saws, grinding wheels. Mostly hammer drawer. Got a big corded drill in there, heat gun, some polars, some more punches. Big heavy drawer. Also got my Eastwood welder over here. Got my Mac Creeper. I got a Mac Tools S. James Edition cart, where it's kind of been my catch-all since I brought my home box, or my work box home. This has just been other tools I'm getting rid of. That's been my toolbox tour, guys. Oh yeah, on top, got rechargeable lights, serpentine belt tool, tumble towels. These are pretty good for what they are. My quick reach bits, keep on top of my box just so if there was an eyesight, I'm not looking for them. Some more consumables, some heat shrink, bolts, cotter pins, hose clamps, some gloves, speaker for blasting music out here, not just go to light. And I got some magnets, got my hood light, under hood light I should say, and then just my bolt bin. So yeah guys, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Thank you.